Return cases. Everyone has experienced it. You buy something from a physical store or order something online, and just after a while you realize this purchase was not good. For whatever reason. The product might have been broken, looked differently on photos, doesn't actually serve the purpose for you which you bought it. Irrelevant of the reason, you want to return the product and get your money back. Since you're dropshipping on eBay, this is exactly what is going to happen with your sales from time to time. Unsatisfied customers or simply buyers who have changed their minds will want to return the product you have dropshipped to them. Is it a problem? If you don't know what to do, definitely. But I will show you a few easy steps how to handle returns at no cost for your business. Let's dive straight into it. So how does it go? You have made a sale on eBay. A customer paid you X amount of money for a certain item. You went to your supplier's website, let's say Amazon, found the item, paid for it, and instead of filling in your address, you typed in the address of your eBay buyer. The item is delivered straight to your eBay customer. I just described the whole dropshipping process, but yes, that's how it is in the dropshipping world. All good so far, but after a few days you receive a message in your eBay inbox. The guy does not want the product anymore because it doesn't fit in his house the way he thought. The thing he wants is to return the product and get his money back. How to proceed? Just pay attention that the same return process applies if a return case was opened instead of receiving a return request message in your DMs. The few actions are just the same. Step number 1. You comply with the customer's wish. We all have had bad experience with some purchases and we always expect good customer service to resolve the issue. So that's exactly what you have to do as an honest eBay seller. If the customer is not a scammer and simply has revised his decision for the purchase, you have to comply and organize the return of the product. And be polite and helpful. This will most definitely improve your reputation with eBay. Step number 2 is to get a return label. So you don't have the product since you're a dropshipper. You go to your supplier's website, might be Amazon, Walmart or another one. You go to the order and request a prepaid return label. The big suppliers rarely refuse to give you a return label. So you receive it and download it. Step number 3. Provide the label to the buyer. You obviously can't use the return label yourself because you don't have the item. That's why the next thing to be done here is to send this prepaid return label to the customer via DM on eBay. He or she should print and put this return label on the box and ship it back to the supplier. Easy as that. Step number 4 is when the supplier receives back the item, they will refund your Walmart or Amazon buyer account and you will transfer the refunded amount of cash to your buyer on eBay. And that was it. The buyer is happy, not you, you lost some small money, not the supplier, they did as well. But the customer is happy with your helpfulness and you acted accordingly as a proper eBay seller. Remember, having a good reputation with eBay is crucial for your business. Resolving such requests and cases is a must when doing business, especially an online one. So no need to ask the buyer to send the item to your address and then you have to reship it to the supplier. That way you are not only going to miss some profit, but would have to actually pay an additional shipment. Not good and completely pointless. Just like you have entered the buyer's address in the supplier's order page, that way you should ask him to fill in the supplier's warehouse address on the prepaid label you have sent to him. Easy. But be aware, some buyers are evil-minded and don't actually return the item. They open a return case and request a prepaid return label. You do all the steps from the previous chapter, but after some time, the supplier contacts you to tell you that the returned item is not the same or hasn't been delivered at all. This puzzles you, but then you get it. The guy wants both the item and the money he has paid for it. That is a classical scam. In order to be protected against this, I have done separate videos about it, including personal bad experience. Take a look at them, the links are in the description below. Anyway, now you know how to handle a return case on eBay. Nothing to worry about, just act quickly and accordingly. Returns don't happen so often, that's why they will not ruin your profits. Just be present and check your sales and messages twice a day. This is the only secure way to avoid unpleasant situations and cases. The best way to monitor your sales is to subscribe to Trackerbot. The Trackerbot dashboard monitors all your sales live and tracks the status of every single one. Automatically uploads tracking numbers to eBay and saves you hours every week. On top of that, it can detect unaccepted trackings by all major suppliers, Walmart, Amazon and AliExpress. Not only detect, but actually solve the problem with unaccepted trackings by converting them automatically to Blue Care Express trackings, which are fully integrated with eBay. Having a clear account of what is going on with your business is so important for every entrepreneur. Try out Trackerbot right now for free. Assure yourself in its numerous advantages. It will make your dropshipping life way easier and will save you so much headaches. So guys, handling a return is not a big issue if you know what to do. If you don't, it might become a big problem and a potential business-ending issue. It will definitely happen every now and then, so be aware what are the steps. Through my link in the description, you can try out Trackerbot for free and get a 50% discount for the first month afterwards. Ease your dropshipping life. Trackerbot was developed by dropshippers for dropshippers, just like this channel. So every like, comment, share and subscription is highly appreciated. Next week, I come with more valuable dropshipping advice. See you very soon.